पहली बार ही काम कर रहे हैं, ये अपने कैरेक्टर में एकदम घुस गए थे और ये लोग फिर भी थोड़ा बहुत शर्मा जाते थे। गुड बैकिंग। माय डैड ऑल्सो, तुम बाप तो हमेशा चाहेगा कि मैं उसकी मदद करूं, आगे बढ़ाए, मेरी खुद की एक पहचान बनी। देओल फैमिली से बन गया बॉबी देओल, को काम नहीं मिलता।
Hi guys, welcome to Box Office India. This is Anita with you, and I need to tell you this. I watched the film last night and it is amazing. So congratulations on that front. I really like
thank you so much.
The chemistry that you all have with each other, the fun banter, wo tutu meme, that was really good. It doesn't look like naya cast hai. Bobby, you are to tell me, how was the experience working with each other? Let's begin with that.
It's been an amazing experience, I think. I think, first of all, the script was really good. The characters we got to play in the film were so interesting for all of us. And working with these young, talented boys, it was such a pleasure because they are so good, as you said earlier. ऐसे लगा नहीं कि ये पहली बार ही काम कर रहे हैं, ये अपने कैरेक्टर में एकदम घुस गए थे और लग रहा था, क्योंकि फिल्म ही वैसी है कि हर कैरेक्टर को दिखना चाहिए as a character, not as themselves. And that's the beauty of the film, because it is a very realistic kind of film, and it was based की गई थी 80s में, तो उस टाइम के क्या attitude थे सबके, it's very difficult to understand that, but the simplicity in every actor and the depth of every characterization was so good that it was great fun working on this script. Especially for me, I was looking for characters like this since years, and I finally got it, and I was so excited that I was going to be doing a subject like this, and the producers were Red Chillies and Netflix. So that made it even more interesting, because you always need some good backing when you do films like this.
Correct.
And I think it's the whole combination that finally works so well, and I'm so glad, and it really means a lot that you like the film. So thank you so much.
What about you guys?
शुरू करो भाई।
एक्सपीरियंस तो
सर असलम शुक्ला।
एक्सपीरियंस तो अच्छा था, मतलब और क्या चाहिए। रेड चिलीज जैसा प्रोडक्शन हाउस हो, हमारी पहली हिंदी फिल्म है और इतना बड़ा बैनर साथ है, नेटफ्लिक्स जैसा प्लेटफॉर्म हमारे साथ है, और बॉबी सर के साथ स्क्रीन शेयर करना, इट्स लाइक ड्रीम कम ट्रू। प्रोसेस भी बहुत बढ़िया रहा, कभी ऐसे लगा नहीं कि यार हम किसी स्टार के साथ काम कर रहे हैं। तो he was very welcoming, warm किस्म के इंसान है। सेट पे बहुत सीखने को मिला उनसे, ऑन द सेट, ऑफ द सेट, जब भी रिहर्सल्स करते थे, वर्कशॉप्स किए, तो ओवरऑल बहुत बढ़िया एक्सपीरियंस था।
Bobby, did you pull their legs or no on the sets, since they were new? And you were
I never do. I've never done that to anyone, but I just think that we really got along well. It was like, a group of friends sitting together after shots, before shots, and then I used to always sit outside my van, so मैं देखता था दूर से कोई कहाँ है, तो बुला लेता था अपने पास कि आओ बैठे साथ में, और ये लोग फिर भी थोड़ा बहुत शर्मा जाते थे। लेकिन it was great fun working on this film. It was long hours, very long hours, and but the hard work they all put in has come out so well on screen that it was just like it was meant to be. All of us were supposed to work together. It felt like that.
And the equation also came out very naturally. The scenes that you all have done, all of you all have done together, came out very naturally. It didn't look like it's something new that you all are trying out, or first time on in front of the camera.
Atul played a big hand in that. He sat with all of them. I mean, I'm sure they want to tell themselves, and he knew exactly what he wanted. So he knew exactly the graph of every character, the way they had to play it. But end of the day, they had to play it. He just gave them that kind of understanding about it. Why don't you say something, Hitesh?
Sir, I completely agree with Bobby sir. The fact that when you have a director as clear as Atul sir, you have your direction given to you as बस अब आपको परफॉर्म करना है, अब वो आपकी टैलेंट और आपके हार्डवर्क पे आपको ये करना है on a script level, on right from the audition, that too, not only from like when we were on set. It started right from the auditions that we had. These characters started to set into us, whether it was our casting director Mr. Abhimanyu Ray putting it into our heads, And also, I was also very glad to see Atul sir was really involved in the auditions also.
Okay.
So right from there, it started right from there, and yeah, we couldn't have asked, as Sameer said, we couldn't have asked for a better start. 5 young boys starting out with such a big film,
Yeah.
such a big platform, such a big production house, such a big star in the film. So it's all what dreams are made of.
Right. So Bobby, in the beginning only you mentioned that you've been looking for such kind of a role for a very long time, but finally it came in your lap. But do you think things will change post this? You will get such roles, and what was the reason you used to not
I
get it earlier?
I guess no one. In when you're in this industry for so many years, as soon as you enter after a few films, there's a certain image you get given, and
Correct.
then you can't break from that image. And so it took a long time, trying to do stuff which was different, but never managed to get anything like that. And then finally, it was a deliberate effort from my side to find something like this. And the main aim was, once I get something like this, I'll try to do my best as an actor. And hopefully, when people see my work, they will think of me in a different way and offer me different kinds of characters which are stronger than normal, and they are an essential part of a script, but they don't have to be the main leads. It has to be. I always believe that a film has to be very character driven, and I feel sometimes when I used to watch movies that, I see a film, but I have enjoyed this one character more than the main cast of the film, because the way they've been written, it's not the fault
Correct.
of the main cast. It's just you get a very author-backed kind of a character sometimes, and those are the characters which you get the chance to play, and you want to do, you really enjoy it. So for me, in
Correct.
this film, each and every one of us has a very character-driven role. It is in the sense that it has been backed by the writer, not just one
Right.
character, but every character, because that makes this film, and that's what I like about this film. That's what I look for things in other scripts if I do get them. But then, obviously, I mean, I'm an actor. I would like to do different kinds of roles. I would love to do a thriller. I'd love to do a comedy, and things like that. So eventually, I've always been open to everything. So this was something which is not had not come into me to my hands. So now finally it has. So I'm really happy and looking forward to 21st of August.
Right, and you have aced the role. Really, it is mind blowing. Trust me on that. I very rarely compliment when I but when I enjoyed it thoroughly. So that's why I'm just telling you. For you guys, did
Thank
you
you.
all have any? Sorry. Did you all have any inhibitions regarding a certain kind of image, or like Bobby said, you get typecast very easily. Did you all have any inhibitions? What was your process altogether for all three of you?
Ma'am, we're starting now, so the part about like being put in a frame already, where how the audiences view you, or even filmmakers see us. I don't know if we've already seen that, but I think we'll come to know post this film.
Hmm.
Before that, we have theater backgrounds and we've done ads and other work. But so in theater, in fact, Touchwood, we've got roles which are extremely diverse. So there that lens of being looked at in a particular manner does not come. I've played characters like a genie, or I've played a 60-year-old also on stage. I've played cartoons on stage. I've played clowns on stage. So that in my head it's not there, and I'd really appreciate that, and I'd hope for that doesn't happen to me. I'd consciously work towards it not happening. I think that's going to be my next step towards it. Let's hear from Bhupendra what he thinks.
में एक्टर का प्रोसेस ही ऐसा होता है कि उसको कोई भी एक तरह के कोट अनकोट उसमें ना बांधा जाए, उसे खुला होना चाहिए हर रोल के लिए, हर कहानी के लिए, और ये अप्रोच रहेगी तो शायद चीज़ें सुधरेंगी, अच्छी होंगी हमारी लाइफ में. और हाँ बस.
You want to add something?
या जैसे ये दोनों ने कहा, किसी भी एक्टर को ओपन रहना चाहिए किसी भी टाइप के कैरेक्टर के लिए. जैसे बॉबी सर ने भी कहा, उन्हें कॉमेडी भी करनी है, ऐसे इंटेंस रोल्स भी करने हैं. वो 90s वाला जो इमेज है वो भी उन्हें पसंद है. तो एक एक्टर को जितना ज्यादा वेरिएशंस, वैरायटी ऑफ रोल्स, अलग अलग कहानियां, अलग अलग किरदार करने को मिले, तो खुशनसीबी है उस एक्टर की। तो बस वही है, हम दुआ करते हैं कि आने वाले समय में कुछ अच्छे रोल्स, अलग रोल्स करने के लिए मिले, बस वही है। हम मेहनत तो पूरी करेंगे, देखते हैं क्या होता है।
And just to add a little to that, and to start with characters like all of us, like Bobby Sirs, Bhupendra's, Samis, the characters that we have so many layers to it. It's also
Correct.
grey. They've got vulnerability. They've got heroic moments. They've got moments of immense friendship and happiness and sorrow. So it's always a dream to start with characters like this. And touchwood, we've had this opportunity
Yeah.
thanks to Red Chillies, Netflix.
Right.
So it's really nice.
Right. So how do you see this new trend of films releasing on OTT platform? I'm very sure if we were not under this lockdown, things would have been a different scenario right now.
No, this film was made specially for Netflix. It wasn't made for cinema. It was already we finished shooting it last. We finished shooting it last year, but it takes time afterwards. The whole process of releasing a film. Netflix goes through that process, and then they finally decide a date. So this was always made by Netflix for Netflix, and produced by Red Chillies. So it was never supposed to come in the cinemas. Yeah, definitely nowadays it's become really tough for our industry. It's going through a very tough time, and I just hope that a cure is found very soon so that cinema halls can reopen and people can lead a normal life. So I wish that happens soon. But OTT platform is a totally different place. The viewership on OTT platform has a different attitude when they watch movies on OTT platform, because it's at your leisure. You can just sit anytime, pause it, do what you have to, then still watch it.
Right.
So I'm sure people are happy that Netflix and other OTT platforms exist, because in times like this you need to be entertained, because there's no. That's the most important thing. Everybody likes to be entertained. Everybody likes to eat good food. So I'm sure cinemas, once they start, OTT platform and cinemas will always be together. There will never be that only OTT will exist or cinemas. They all depend on each other. So that's how it is.
Chalo, well, on that note, thank you so much for doing this. It was really good,
Thank you.
nice having a conversation with you all, and
Thanks.
wishing you all
Thanks
the
so
very
much.
best. Looking
Thank
forward to
you.
meet you all in person once the lockdown gets over, for sure.
I know.
Same here, same here.
Definitely.
Thank you. Same here. Take care. Be safe.
Take care.
Thank you.
Hi, this is Bobby Deol.
Hi, this is Hitesh Bhojraj.
Hi, I am Bhupendra Jadawat.
Hi, this is Samir Paranspey.
You're watching me on Box Office India. Please like and subscribe.